Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways on how you can fix Roblox error code. Now there are various different reasons why this kind of issue occurs. Now Roblox error code 272 typically is associated with connection issue that prevents you from joining a game. To fix the error code and get back to playing Roblox, you can try following these steps. First of all, you can always check your internet connection. If you have unstable internet connection, that might be one of the major issues. So what you can do is, if you're already connected to an internet service, you can simply disconnect it and then reconnect your Wi-Fi or mobile data, and sometimes you can also restart your router. So if you go to the Wi-Fi icon located right at the bottom, or you just go to the gear icon and go to network and internet, here you'll be able to find all of the information. So basically you can just go network and internet and check whether you're connected to a Wi-Fi or not. Sometimes if you have also enabled VPN or maybe disabled VPN, then it can also hamper your issue. So you can try turning it off or try turning it on, and that might be able to fix your issue. If this does not seems to be working, what else you can do is, if you also have some extension related to Roblox, what you can do is you can simply disable it, or you can just delete them. So for example, just go to your web browser. From there you actually open up your Roblox, and while you're on this page, so just tap on the three dot icon. After that, tap on extension, and here go to manage extension. Right over here you'll be able to see all of the extension that is on your PC or on your device, and you can just disable it, or you can just tap on a remove button just like this and tap on remove once again for the confirmation in order to disable them. So try doing this procedure after disabling all of the extension or the web extension. That might be able to solve the issue. So after that, try launching to your Roblox and try playing the game. And you can also try using a wired connection. That is, if you're playing Roblox on a PC, consider using a wired ether connection for a more stable network connection. If none of these procedures seems to be working out, what else you can do is you can also try uninstalling your Roblox application, and at the same time restart your PC. Reinstall it once again by opening the web browser and then type in roblox.com, install it on your device, and that might be able to fix the issue all at once. If you have tried several different ways to fix it, if nothing seems to be working out, you can also try contacting the support team stating about the issue, and that might be able to fix the issue. So these were some of the methods on how you can fix Roblox error code 272. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.